Today, we dive into Tana, a dynamic social media management tool designed to revolutionize your online presence. Tana streamlines scheduling, content creation, and analytics, making it an indispensable asset for businesses and influencers alike. Throughout this video, we'll explore Tana's standout features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and explore alternatives to help you make an informed decision.
Let's start out by taking a quick look at Tana's features. Content Calendar. Tana boasts a robust content calendar, allowing users to plan and schedule posts effortlessly. Its intuitive interface facilitates easy content management, enabling users to organize posts by platform, date, and content type. Advanced Analytics. Dive deep into your social media performance with Tana's comprehensive analytics suite. Track engagement, monitor growth metrics, and gain valuable insights to refine your social media strategy. Customizable Templates. Elevate your content with Tana's customizable templates. From eye-catching graphics to compelling captions, Tana offers a diverse range of templates to suit every brand's aesthetic. Automated Publishing. Save time and streamline your workflow with Tana's automated publishing feature. Schedule posts in advance and let Tana handle the rest, ensuring your content reaches your audience at optimal times. Audience Targeting. Reach the right audience with precision targeting options. Tana allows users to tailor their content based on demographics, interests, and behavior, maximizing engagement and driving results. Collaboration Tools. Foster collaboration and streamline teamwork with Tana's collaboration tools. From content approval workflows to shared content libraries, Tana makes teamwork seamless and efficient.
Tana offers flexible pricing plans tailored to suit varying needs and budgets, with plans starting at $15 per month for individuals and $99 per month for businesses. Tana provides affordability without compromising on features or functionality. Compare this to competitors like Buffer and Hootsuite, which offers similar features but higher price points. This makes Tana a cost-effective choice for savvy social media marketers.
Tana offers an intuitive and user-friendly interface, making it easy for users to navigate and understand without the need for extensive tutorials or guides. Its clean and integrated design enhances the overall user experience, providing a seamless platform for increased productivity and focus.
Tana offers a comprehensive suite of features, including a robust content calendar, advanced analytics, and customizable templates, empowering users to create impactful content and drive results. Its affordable pricing plans make it accessible to businesses of all sizes, while its intuitive interface ensures a seamless user experience. However, some users have reported occasional glitches and performance issues, particularly during peak usage times. Additionally, while Tana offers extensive features, certain advanced functionalities may require additional learning curve and technical experience to fully utilize.
Looking for alternatives to Tana? Consider platforms like Buffer, Hootsuite, and Sprout Social, which offer similar social media management capabilities. While each platform has its strengths and weaknesses, Tana stands out for its affordability, ease of use, and comprehensive feature set, making it a top choice for businesses and marketers seeking an all-in-one social media solution.
In conclusion, Tana emerges as a powerful ally on your quest for social media success. With its array of features, affordable pricing, and a user-friendly interface, Tana empowers users to elevate their social media presence to achieve their goals. Sign up for Tana today and unlock the full potential of your social media strategy. Don't forget to subscribe to EasyInternet for more tips and insights, and thank you for watching.